Right, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm the client now to have a friend, you know what, as we master. Now you look at me now. As we master today, he spoke, you know what, as the accent from United Kingdom. But I'm trying to speak, you know, American accent or Redneck accent because, you know, even right behind me, his name is couldn't ask me can this accent. Now I would like to speak not the accent, but you know what, American accent or Redneck accent. Alright, talking about what, I got a lot of experience, you know, unforgettable experience in my life. I couldn't explain all of that, you know, because you don't have a lot of time, you know what, because you know, spend 5 hours, 10 hours, you know what, or 24 hours, because in my whole life, God, you know, my unforgettable experience was tsunami or mariner, and then how to learn the languages, then met a strange people, and then ghosts, nothing about what. But I'm going to share this one about my unforgettable experience in my life. When I was 204 in the time, a guy from France, his name is Gil. That guy just has been, you know, converted to Islam just only 3 weeks, and then that guy slept in my house, my friend's house. At a time when I invite that guy, because that guy converted Muslim or Islam, I just invite him to my prayer. And then that guy asking me, Xavier, yeah. I just knew he doesn't know what he want me to doing about, you know what, to my prayer there. Want to know what your friend, how good the time. Your friend is Muslim or not? Why he doesn't want praying Dua there? But I am the convert just only 3 weeks. So why you invite me? You know about you? Every single people nowadays, they knew anything about Muslim. They knew about anything about, you know, law, about Sharia law. They knew anything about that. But, you know, if God, Allah Ta'ala don't have, you know what, declaring about the, you know, the heart, it's nothing, you know what? You were Christian. So, you convert to Islam because, you know what? You have a blessing for God. God show you the way, best way, the worst way. So the good way for you to convert to Islam. Yeah, I come so very God, but you know, I have no idea why a lot of Muslims know this. Those people are Muslims, so they want, why they want doing my prayer or doing prayer. I had been a 3 weeks to convert to Islam, so I doing, you know, my prayer. At that time I got confused, so like, you know, hard to explain about what, because, you know, all the way I'm going to explain about what, because, you know what, don't have word, don't have vocabulary, don't have knowledge at the time, because all the way to explain about what I got convert to Muslim at the time. And I'm wondering again and again, then when I invite that guy to do, you know, doing my prayer, and then I'm going to be translate or, you know, translate anything what the preacher said in the master time. Do you what? Do you know about what that man said? No, I could speak bahasa. I'm sorry, Mr. It's okay. Maybe after we have been, you know, doing this, do my prayer, I want to explain that I want to tell about it, because you know what? For me, I want to explain about why a lot of Muslims nowadays, even Muslims nowadays, Muslim, they won't, you know, doing my prayer or prayer 24 hours, 5 times, dawn, noon, evening, night, you know what? I have no idea what. Talking about just only the ID card, it's just Muslim, but truly don't have Muslim. But you know, until now I'm still wondering why converted to Islam, asking me like that because when that guy found a Muslim doing Juma prayer, I could explain myself. But that was very, very, wondering until now on me. I never got lazy to say my wise word, my lie. Got a lot of people learn English. Because from this to the end of the day, only people also anyone can speak English, including Mongols can speak English. God. Okay. I think English is important because people can speak it more first now faster to the world for the time. People can speak English very well, very often. But nowadays, people can speak it more anymore, but what? The point is, just suggest if you all guys don't have to speak man speaker, don't have to speak, with accent, American accent, Redneck accent. Please speak by your accent, by your heart. Speaking is understand each other is speaking. Don't be under each other. Don't be, embraced by yourself, ashamed by yourself, because you can't speak English, because just actually accent is okay. The point is, do you speak English? That's it. When again the viewer doesn't asking you to speak American accent or British accent, no. The point is, English is very important. Just guys here must learn English or other languages. Rather than speak Arabic, then this guy speaks with accent. Totally lost the accent. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.